Let's learn IIB. Today I will show you how to work with timer nodes. I have already created a few videos on timer notification node and timer control node. Link in description. One of my subscribers asked me if we can use two or more timer nodes in a single flow. Also, MQMD error were being attributed to the use of timers. There are two kinds of nodes in IIB. Nodes that have a thread associated with them, I call them active nodes. You can increase the thread count for them using additional instances. Other kinds of nodes without any threads associated with them are called passive nodes. My recommendation is only use one active node per flow. Without going into too much detail, it keeps the design simple. Here is an example where one timer control node and one timer notification node is used. You can increase the count of timers nodes used in this flow to 2 or more. I do not understand the need for 2 or more timer nodes in a single flow, but for the sake of demonstration, let's do it. To avoid errors, ensure that the message tree is populated properly. That is, properties followed by MQMD followed by block. Whenever you face error, refer to exception list to understand the cause of error. Then you can easily resolve it instead of trial and error method. Here it mentions that we used an integer field type for timeout ID instead of a character field type. So let's change that. I have modified code in JCN node. Here by concatenating UID with a number, I have converted an integer is equal data type to a character is equal data type. Here you see that identifier has now changed to a character. I have used JCN node to set the date and time values. You can do that in ESQL as well. Within the same message flow, I have used two timeout control nodes and two timeout notification nodes for the sake of demonstration. Notice the use of two threads, thread ID 1200 and thread ID 6972 in debug view. If you still face any MQMD errors, remember to set reply to queue in RFH util for MQMD header. This value will be used by MQReply node to reprocess failed messages. For the viewers who have not seen part 1 of the video, this application performs schedule-based retry and other forms of automatic retry for failed messages. That is why we mention reply to queue. Hope this clears some confusion around exception handling, defect tracing, and the use of timeout nodes.